Homemade coffee ice cream recipe, creamy and delicious. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make the most irresistible and creamy coffee ice cream right at home. It's the perfect treat to beat the summer heat or enjoy any time of the year. So, without further ado, let's get started. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover. Ingredients. 2 cups heavy cream. 1 cup whole milk. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 3 tablespoons instant coffee, adjust to your taste. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. 4 large egg yolks. Pinch of salt. Instructions. Prepare the ice cream base. In a saucepan over medium heat, combine the heavy cream and whole milk. Heat the mixture until it starts to steam, but avoid boiling. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks, sugar, instant coffee, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt until smooth and well combined. Temper the eggs. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of the hot milk and cream mixture into the egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly. This step helps to temper the eggs, preventing them from curdling when added to the hot mixture later. Combine the mixtures. Slowly pour the tempered egg mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining hot milk and cream. Stir constantly over medium-low heat until the mixture thickens slightly and coats the back of a spoon. Do not let it boil. Chill the ice cream base. Remove the saucepan from heat and let the ice cream base cool down to room temperature. Once cooled, cover the mixture with plastic wrap, ensuring it touches the surface of the liquid to prevent a skin from forming. Refrigerate the ice cream base for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. Chilling the mixture thoroughly will enhance the flavors and ensure a creamy texture. Churn the ice cream. Transfer the chilled coffee ice cream base into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually takes around 20-30 minutes. Freeze and enjoy. Once the ice cream reaches the desired consistency, transfer it into an airtight container and freeze for an additional 2-3 hours to firm up. Serve your homemade coffee ice cream in a bowl, cone, or alongside your favorite dessert. You can also add some chocolate shavings or a drizzle of caramel sauce for an extra indulgence. And there you have it, a delightful and velvety homemade coffee ice cream that's sure to impress your family and friends. Thanks for joining us today, and if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious treats. Happy ice cream making and see you next time.
Christmas movies and serial killer mug. Sip your favorite hot beverage in style with this festive mug featuring the catchy phrase, "We either slay and slaying," in red and green font. Adorned with Christmas lights, knives, and splatters of blood, This mug is perfect for those who love a mix of holiday cheer and thrilling suspense. Add a touch of intrigue to your morning routine or gift it to a fellow fan of both holiday movies and true crime stories.